Hi there, my name is Jake. I'm the Student Engagement Coordinator here at UNE Life. I know from my own time at UNE that some of the most valuable parts of my university experience were the social interaction, the study buddies, and the chances to connect with the UNE community that left me with lifelong friends and memories. And we've been working hard on a new way to make sure online students can get that same experience. Welcome to the Digital HQ on GatherTown, a fun and interactive digital gathering space now available for online students at the University of New England. Whether you're here for study sessions, networking, organised parties, club events, or just catching up with friends, GatherTown is designed to make your online interactions more fun and engaging. Let me show you around. First things first, how to access GatherTown. You'll find a link to join GatherTown directly through the Digital HQ page on MyLearn or through UNE Life's website at unelife.com.au. Clicking this link will take you directly to our GatherTown portal. The first time you join, you'll be prompted to customize your avatar. Get creative. Once you're in, use the arrow keys or WASD keys to walk around. As you move closer to others, video and audio will automatically connect, just like bumping into someone in a real-life hallway. Step away, and the connection fades. It's that simple. You'll notice lots of interactive objects scattered around the space, like whiteboards, projector screens, pool tables, or even a friendly dog. Just press X when prompted to interact with that object. We're constantly keeping the space updated with resources, documentaries, and even fun games and activities to make your social interactions and downtime a little bit more fun. Need to have a private chat or study session and don't want to be interrupted? No problem. This grey square here is called a private space. When you're inside these spaces, only other users inside the space can see and hear you. This makes it perfect for virtual meetings, study sessions, or private get-togethers. At any time, if you get lost or need help on the Digital HQ, just come and find one of our friendly UNE Life staff. We're always happy to help out. You can find an active users list on the right-hand side to locate or send a direct message to a staff member or to any of your study buddies. And that's it. You're now ready to explore the Digital HQ on GatherTown here at UNE. Whether you're attending a virtual event, collaborating with classmates, or just looking for a unique way to connect, GatherTown is the place to be. So go ahead, log in, look around, and most importantly, have fun. For more tips or GatherTown help, get in touch with us on the Digital HQ MyLearn forums.